This is the first step of a project which the objective is to attach a camera under an airplane, and while the airplane pitches and rolls, the camera will be always aimed to the ground. I'm using a MPO 6050 motion tracker from Evensense and Jeff Rollback's I2C library for Arduino, 2 servos, this one to correct the roll deviation and this one to correct the pitch deviation. So let me turn it on, and these are not high quality servos, so they vibrate a little more than I expected, and I use this little IC to test the precision. I will simulate the airplane motion. And that's it.